Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through the entire process of connecting the Next3 Offload plugin for WordPress to Dropbox. Let's start by creating a Dropbox app. Open your browser and go to the Dropbox developers site. In the console, click Create a new app. Choose Scoped Access and select Full Dropbox as the access type so the app can manage all files and folders in your account. Give your app a unique name. Here, we'll call it NeuralBin, and click Create App. After your app is created, note the app key and app secret shown on the Settings tab. We'll need these credentials when configuring the WordPress plugin. Switch over to your WordPress dashboard. Select Dropbox as your cloud provider. Paste the app key and app secret you copied from Dropbox into the fields provided. Beneath these fields, copy the generated redirect URI and paste the URI you copied. Click Add to save it. Next, open the Permissions tab. Check the scopes that Next3 Offload requires. Save your changes. Back in the WordPress wizard, move to the Cloud Configuration step. Click the Authorization link to start the OAuth flow. Dropbox displays a warning. Confirm you trust the app and click Continue. Review the scopes, then click Allow to grant access. Click Check Connection to test the link. If the connection succeeds, the wizard presents a Ready step. Click Go to Dashboard to exit the wizard and open the Offload Settings page. The dashboard summarizes your offloading status. There's also an Offload Now button you can use to migrate existing media to Dropbox. Let's test the integration by uploading a new file. In WordPress, go to Media, Add New, and drag your image. After the upload finishes, open the media library. You'll see the new file listed with a status of Successfully Uploaded in the Next3 Offload column. This means it has already been sent to Dropbox. To make sure your file reached Dropbox, log into Dropbox and navigate to the prefix path specified in the plugin. In our example, that's 2026/1st January. Inside that directory, you'll find the uploaded image and several automatically generated sizes: thumbnails, medium sizes, larger versions, and the original image. Seeing these confirms that Next3 Offload has offloaded and organized your media correctly. Finally, let's look at how to customize the storage path. In the WordPress sidebar, go to Next3 Offload/storage/setup path. Here, you can add a prefix to the bucket path, organize uploads by year and month, add an object version as a unique timestamp, or rename files with unique names. Toggle the options you prefer, then click Save Settings. With these settings adjusted, future uploads will automatically follow your chosen folder structure while being offloaded to Dropbox. You've now learned how to connect Next3 Offload to Dropbox, authorize the integration, offload your media, verify your files in Dropbox, and fine-tune the storage path. Thanks for watching, and happy offloading!